Hello everyone, it is I, Blazing Alpha here, back with another unboxing, finally. It's been ages, but let's get right into it. Today, we have Hasbro's Beyblade Burst Rise Rudr R5 single pack. So, from Hypersphere. So, this is a recolor of Rudr R4, which I never had, never got, but I have Rudr R5 now, so yeah. On the back of the box, we got spins right. It's a balance type. We have the D48 disc, which is also known as 7, and the TH03. I don't know what this tip is supposed to be. I'll probably figure out after I scan into the app. But it's got 1 for runtime, and it's got 5 for, what is this, drop in frequency, I remember. So let's open this up. Oh boy. God, how tough this packaging is. It's pretty tough. Hasbro's got good packaging. Lots of seller tape though, at times. As long as the back is good. Yeet! Yote! Oh, I forgot the driver. Yote and yacht. There we go. I don't need any of those. I do need that. I don't need those two. So here we have the layer Rudr R5, and man, this looks pretty good, I must say. I just wish that was detailed. I wish that was painted. Like, come on. It looks so good if this part was painted. But besides that, I do like the red, yellow, and the foggy plastic. It does go together very well, I must say. The arrows, and whatever this is, I think it's a knight, or a archer, whatever. And you got the red contact points. Oh, that's not good. Stress marks, probably from shipping. But here's the QR code. Got it? Oh yeah? Oh yeah, shout out to T&J Make 'em Burst. Very awesome YouTuber. Go check him out if you haven't already. But we have the 7 disc. Wow, I haven't had a 7 disc in a while. This is my 3rd 7, so it's getting up there. And boom. 1 star, come on, man. Anyways, and we got this one. This performance tip. I don't know what it is. Let me feel the spring on this. Not bad. I'd say average. I think this is linear, I think? I'm not quite sure. I'm gonna have to check. Let's put this baby together, and slopes. Oh wow, that's pretty tight. Wow, I'm surprised. This is pretty good slopes. I don't know if it's better than Air Knight or not, but here are these two together. They're from the same wave. Why not? Why not showcase them? They're both single packs. Here's those two together. Alright. Let's get some battles done. I got the stadium right here. But first, let's do a test launch. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Not going on the brink. Wow. It's very surprising actually, because the drop in frequency is 5. Runtime is, I'd say it has more stamina than charge. So, there's that. I think this might be a pretty good tip for defense types, to be honest. I don't consider it a balance, but yeah, it looks pretty good when it spins. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna battle it up against Ace Dragon V5 now. For its first test battle. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh wow, I think Rudr might go down actually. Oh no, barely. That life after death is crazy. 1 point for Rudr. Let's do one more. One more with the Ace Dragon. Whoop. This dragon fell off the launcher. That's not good. Oh, it fell off again. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Ace dragon going around. Rudr might go down. Oh, Rudr went down. 1-1. One more. Ace. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Good launch. Oh, there it goes. Onto the brink. No burst yet, unfortunately. Stadium's moving. Oh man, Ace Dragon won that one. Okay. Next up, we got the best bay I ever have, like the best stock combo I've ever gotten. It's still a champion. It's Air Knight K5. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, rip. Let's see how this one will turn out. Oh, wow. Oh. Pretty close. But it's Air Knight for the win. I wouldn't expect anything less from that battle. Let's do one more. Air Knight. 3, 2, 1, little whip. Whip. Good hits. Coming from Rudr. But will be enough to take down the mighty Air Knight K5. Oh, and it's not Air Knight. Next up, we got Cosmic Valtryek V5. Don't know how this one's gonna end up. So far, Rudr not looking too good, but could be better. Oh, wow. Oh, on the brink again. Ooh, that was a good hit. Oh, I think Valtryek's gonna win this one. Oh, yeah. By a launch shot. Valtryek was kind of close to bursting there. And a little bit for Rudr. Not too much. Not too little. Oh, wow. Rudr was staying stationary there for a second. Well, there's the speed picking up. Oh. Stamina battle. But Valtryek wins in that department. Don't mind the marker on my wrist there. Don't worry, it's not anything else. And last but not least, Command Dragon. Let's do it. Why Dragon, you ask? If you're asking that again. Because Dragon is one of my favorite bays ever. I mean, come on. It's Dragon. Let it rip. Let it rip. Oh boy. This one's gonna be good. Ooh. I don't know who won that, so I'm just gonna call it a tie right now. Sorry if it's not a tie, but wow, that's pretty cool. 3, 2, 1, little rip. Rip. Oh, no hits yet. There's some. Is there gonna be a burst? Let's see. No. It's Ace Dragon again. Okay, I'm gonna grab another Hypersphere Bay. I'll be right back. For the memes, I've got Judgment Joker. Let's do it. the memes. Because Joker is so bad. Like, literally, it's a joke on how bad this bay is. It's not the chip. It's probably the layer base. That's what I'm thinking. 3, 2, 1, let her rip. Oh, yeah, it's dead. It's dead. And that's Rudr. Wow, he won. Wow, good job. Well, I think it's decent. If you want to pick it up, go ahead. And I'm happy I get to do an unboxing. Unboxings are so fun to do, I swear. Anyways, parts decent. I think this is a pretty good layer, but I'm gonna have to do some more combo testing with these parts. Well, I know 7's pretty good to have in your collection. This recolor is really good, so if you're a collector, get it. If you're not a collector and you're like a professional blader or whatever, I'd say hold off on this one if you can find it anymore. But unless it's on sale or something, then get it. These parts are pretty decent, I'd say. The slopes are really good. If you want good slopes, then get it. This layer has really good slopes, so I think get it. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below on how I did. And also, I have an Instagram, Supreme Inferno Beyblade, so if you want to follow that for more battles and stuff, some more Rudr battles will be coming up on there. And I will be doing some more battles with this and combo testing. Maybe some combo testing videos, I don't know. But that's going to be it for this video. Peace.